Welcome back to another video of Makwala Agri. So today I'm actually not in my chicken house, but I'm inside my car. My beautiful Nissan 400. Where are we going today? We're gonna source some wood shaving for our chicken bedding. So I'm taking you on my trip to actually buy the wood shaving with me today. So yesterday I've bought 300 Rand petrol in this car. So let's see if it will get us where we want to go and get wood shaving. So it means that so far we're going to be spending 300 on petrol to get the wood shaving, and each bag we're going to get it for around 10 Rand. I'm planning to buy 17 bags, so I'm going to pay 170 for all those 17 bags. Tomela, look. Oh, obekile kwa sikonyo. Oh, kutobeka badiela. Okay, that was a customer requesting a chicken slaughtered one. So, but since I'm on my way, I'll do it when I come back. So anyway, as I was saying that I'm planning to spend 470 for 17 bags of wood shaving. Let's see if it is worth it or not. Yeah, our trip begins. We are now on the road to actually go and get the wood shaving. So let's see where our gauge is actually. That's our fuel gauge, as you can see it. That's where it is. And this is our beautiful sun rising view on the road. So it's gonna be a long one, man. From here to Mutati's Kloof, it's about maybe 70, I forgot. But as I go along, I'll show you the places that I'll be passing. And the kind of place where I stay. So this is my home place, my hometown. This is where I stay. This is my talks. So yeah. We'll try to have some nice footage for you as we can, but as for now, let's keep on rolling. So one of the reasons why I want to calculate the cost of actually getting this wood shaving with you today is that people always say that when I do my calculation when it comes to cost, I don't normally include the petrol or the fuel or the transportation, the logistics behind actually sourcing whatever that I'm going to be buying. When I buy feed, I don't calculate how much money I spend on petrol. When I buy chicks, those kind of things. So, but from now on, whenever I'm doing trips like this, whenever I'm buying anything, I promise you guys that I'm gonna be adding all the necessary cost. So, if we're going to buy wood shaving like today, so we're gonna say 470 divided by 470 divided by. Hey, help me out, guys. Help me out. 470 divided by what? 470 divided by 17, since we're gonna be procuring 17 bags of feed, so it's gonna be 470 divided by 17, and probably it's gonna be around 70 Rand each bag. No, 27 Rand each bag. So 27-28 Rand for each bag that we're gonna be getting. So am I saving or not? Let me tell you. Somebody may wonder if this guy is really gonna be saving money if he's gonna procure this thing at 27-8 Rand each, including the transportation. So to know that I'm saving or not, I'll have to give you the amount of how much each bag is being sold in my area in the currently. So the current store that we have, they sell their wood shaving for 60 rand. Some is 65 rand, some is 50, but it's very rare to get the 51. You normally get the 70, it was the 60 and 65 one. So even let's take it down to 50. So let's say I'm buying it for 50. It means that I'm saving 20 rand I'm saving 20 rand on each bag. So 20 times 17 is 340. Is it worth it for me to save 340? You guys tell me in the comment section. It is worth it for me to save 640 on making this long trip, or should I just let it hey, let me wear my safety belt, guys. Yo, should I just let it be that I buy from these guys? And another interesting thing is that when I'm broke, I can still resell this thing to other farmers. So that's why I love making this kind of trips, because even when I'm broke myself, I can easily resell this thing to other farmers. So, but for now, let's go on the road. And yeah, let's just listen to the good music that I'm going to be playing and hit the road. So, you tell me, is it worth it or not? As we go to Devil's Kloof, Mojaji, Akhoshi Mojaji. Actually short content when I got here, but unfortunately I lost the footage while I was editing. So I don't know what happened. I deleted the footage by mistake. So what happens is that once I got here in Seville, I visited 3 places that I normally buy my wood shaving at, and none of them actually had the wood shaving. So I had to wait. I arrived there around 8 o'clock, and then I had to wait until now. So now it's around half past 10, 12. Sorry, half past 12 to 1. Yeah, it's to 1 now, and they said to me that I should come back around lunchtime. So I guess lunchtime is now around past 12 until 3 is lunchtime. So I came back now. Actually, they are busy now filling my bags with the wood shaving that I came here to buy. So I lost the footage when I was driving around and searching for wood shaving, and when I was dropping those bags. Unfortunately, the footage is lost. It's lost. There's no way I can retrieve it anymore. But yeah, there's a continuation of the video anyway. So now I'm actually outside this factory where they actually make doors. Waiting for them to finish uploading my bags. Here we left 10 bags, and then we're gonna go to the other factory where I left I think 8 bags. So here we're gonna leave 100 bucks. On the other side it's gonna be 80 rand. Yeah, so that's actually what I have for you guys. I hope you're enjoying this content, and I'll shoot more as I go back home. Okay, so they're now done. There are my bags. You can see the Nova brand is the one that's holding my bags. So they're done packing my wood shaving. So I'm gonna put it at the back of the buggy now. So today I'm alone actually. So I'm not with my friends who normally send me content. So you're gonna have to miss out a lot of things. We are busy loading up the wood shaving now in the car. No, this wood shaving is fresh. And put 4 bags here. So this is another location where we're supposed to get wood shaving. So I'm not sure if the guy is here or not. The one who was supposed to assist me with the wood shaving. So yeah, let's check him out if he's around or not. So if he's around or not. If you guys are wondering how they make doors, they are the doors. Hey, guys. Hola, hola. I'll tell you, what soda? Soda. Kada. Yeah, so we are done loading up. Now it's time for us to actually go home. We are done.
When I'm hollering at you, I never mean it when I say we're through. Kill me. I don't need it. I'm saying you walk out my way. I promise I don't mean it. Silly stuff, just the fun. Think I'm cool, but I'm a
If you've watched this video up to this far, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on that notification bell so that next time when you upload another video, you got to see it first. So guys, finally arrived at home, and this is our wood shaving. We got it for 10 rand each bag. We had 17 bags that we actually got. So thanks guys for watching this video up to this far. See you in the next video of Makwala Agri.